In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set free shipping coupons fast and easy. Let's dive into the process together, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. To start, head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Edit Coupon section. This is your starting point for creating a compelling, free shipping coupon for your customers. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Marketing tab on the left-hand side. Clicking on Marketing will take you to a new menu designed to provide various marketing tools to help optimize your online store's performance. This intuitive interface ensures you have all the necessary tools at your fingertips to improve customer engagement and drive more sales. Next, click on Coupons within the Marketing suite. This section is dedicated to managing all your existing coupons and creating new ones. It's a powerful tool for enhancing promotional strategies and encouraging customers to complete orders. In the Coupons section, you'll spot the Add New Coupon button. Go ahead and click that to open a fresh page where you can create a unique coupon. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify various characteristics of your coupon that can entice more customers to shop with you. Once you're on the new coupon creation page, it's time to define your coupon code. Click on the designated field to enter a catchy and memorable code that shoppers can easily remember. Ensure it aligns with your brand and message to maximize the impact. The next step involves including a brief description of the coupon in the corresponding section. This description informs your customers about the benefits they receive and any particular conditions they should be aware of. A well-crafted description acts like a gentle nudge toward using the coupon. So be clear and persuasive. After your description is set, direct your attention to the General tab. Here you will configure the coupon's core settings. Under the General section, find the Allow Free Shipping option. Make sure to enable this feature right away by checking the corresponding box. Enabling free shipping is an alluring offer that can significantly increase cart values, as customers often purchase more to qualify for the free service. Finally, ensure everything is in order by giving your new coupon a once-over. If all looks good, go ahead and click Publish. Your free shipping coupon is now live and ready to be shared with your eager customer base. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create and manage excellent free shipping offers quickly and effortlessly. These coupons can enhance your store's appeal to customers, potentially driving more traffic and sales to your platform. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for boosting your e-commerce success.